Your clinical team is asked to do the impossible. More studies, more sites, more trial documentation to review, different formats, handwritten notes, and scanned forms that never look the same twice. In this demo, we'll show how Adlib turns that chaos into a single, regulator-ready packet your team can review in minutes instead of hours. First, we tell Adlib what types of content to expect. In this example, we have adverse event forms, hospital discharge forms, nursing notes, medical records, and patient images. Then, we define the key attributes we care about across all of them. Next, we simply drag and drop the zipped package into our workflow. Adlib ingests every file, normalizes them, and assembles a single output package automatically. When processing is complete, the safety team receives an automated email. New report ready for review. One click opens the consolidated case in the document viewer. At the top, you see a trust score of 96%. Adlib's signal that the extracted attributes have passed our accuracy and validation thresholds, not just basic OCR confidence. Below, Adlib has already summarized the key details: study and site information, links to participant data, and a concise narrative of the event, intervention, and treatment. Even the handwritten nurse's notes and image description are summarized for quick review, so clinicians don't have to decipher every line manually. The result? One trustworthy, AI-ready package built automatically from messy clinical records. With Adlib, your teams spend less time assembling files and more time focusing on patient safety and regulatory decisions, with a clear, auditable trail behind every case.